when you're in a business or career जहाँ पे celebration is an everyday thing, do you think you stop celebrating small things?
Yes. It's a travesty, man. I've stopped school. I've stopped celebrating my goals. And I've realized this, yeah.
Like birthdays are not as exciting.
It was never.
Right?
I don't want to sound one of those people. But people who know me, they know me.
No, I face this problem. That's why I'm asking you. Like so 1.5 years ago, I was speaking to one of my mentors and he said कि celebrate ना तू team के लिए करता है, तो team के लिए कर, खुद कैसा भी बन जाए तुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
Good point.
And that's why I started celebrating little things.
Great point. Because good point, man. Because it might not matter to you that much.
Exactly.
But good point. I think you should celebrate, man. Like on a good day and a nice day, I always think you should celebrate, man. It doesn't matter if the victory is big or small. Celebrate, man. You're going to be gone soon.
But it's so difficult because you're dreaming so big that you feel everything else is just irrelevant, and that's why you stop celebrating.
No, mine is different.
Okay.
Mine is because I have seen those highs. I win every trophy that was there in the country. So then when something of like 2 goal maar de ek match mein laga lo, which is a normal game, or like theek hai, haan, trophy jeetna hai. You know, so I think that's the problem, because if you have won so many, if you have, okay, forget winning. If you have great days, if you have the best, let's say, paneer butter masala of the country, and if you have a normal one, you're not going to go, wow, kya maza hai, because you had the best. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
I think it's one of those things. But I think celebrate, man. I think enjoy. Whenever you can, enjoy. Yesterday, I was 17 and started playing. Today, I'm already 40. Time flies.
Do you think people love you for who you are, or people love you for what you do?
Yeah, बीवी का तो at least I want to believe कि she likes me, loves me because of who I am. But I think that'll be wrong.
because she started...
I don't think a lot of people know me for the way I am. और ये ना तो मेरी गलती ना उनकी गलती है. I think majority of them like me first because of what I did or I do on the pitch. Some days they hate me for that because of missing goals, but majority, you don't know much about me. So ये बोलना कि जैसा मैं इंसान हूँ उसके लिए लोग मुझे पसंद करते हैं, ये wrong होगा.
Yeah, but do you want your close ones to like you for who you are or for what you do?
I think they do. They dislike me sometimes and they like me sometimes. I'm a very normal person. I think I'm a good player. I work really hard, but as a person, I'm very normal. I have my good days. I have my bad days. I'm really good some days. I'm stupid some days. I talk stupid some days. I do a little bit of charity. I am miser some days. I react sometimes. I don't react. I'm understanding some days. Like every normal person. There's nothing extraordinary about me as a person. And I'm not trying to sound cliche. It's a fact. And I really want to work on that. Now that I have time after football, I really want to be a better person and a better husband, a better father who's there more the time, a better son to my mom and dad, because so much of my time, my energy was consumed because of football. And I've got no regrets.
Yeah.
I chose that. But I know I've neglected a lot of time for others who have supported me.
Is it difficult to build a relationship when you are in a high stress career?
That's why her being a fan was important. Her to understand the shin pad, the loss, the sweaty t-shirts. He will not go out if he has lost the game. He will not talk now. He has to sleep. There's a nap. We can't go out. It's 10. He has to sleep. And it's not one day. It's every day. So many times when we are going around, when now we're married, she wants to. I know she wants to. Chala chalte hain dinner. Let your hair loose. Thoda ye kha le, thoda kha. But no. And I don't have to fight ki nahi. No means no. So she has adjusted to all that. Not only her now more so because she's married to me. My parents, all of them are so happily adjusted to it. At least happily in front of me. कि ठीक है भाई, ये ऐसा है, ये ऐसा सोएगा, ये करेगा. अगर हार गए तो आगे घर में चुप रहना है. And I can feel it. I don't like it. I don't want to portray myself like that, but that's the way I am. अगर मैच हार गया, किसको पड़ी है हंसी मजाक करने की? So imagine करो 90 minute का गेम में my wife is making all the arrangements at home, especially when parents have come to see a match in Bangalore. They all go to the stadium also. But घर में कैसे behave करना है, it completely depends on the result. अगर हार गए तो सबने अपना खाना खा लिया चुपचाप, ये हो जो मेरा खाना बना था वो रख दिया है, मैं आऊँगा, आई डू माई ओन थिंग्स, आई स्ट्रेच एंड यू, हाँ हूँ, हाँ मैं बात करूँगा, चले जाऊँगा. तो ऑल्सो यू नो वन वेरी पर्टिकुलर थिंग. सो when my parents and my family discusses football, they are discussing as a fan, है ना, as a fan discuss करते हैं, and they are emotional at that time. अभी मैच खत्म हुआ है, when I enter, because मैं लगा लो हारा हूँ मैच, मैं ऑलरेडी ड्रेसिंग में बोल के आया, कोई बात नहीं करेगा, and I'm the captain, I say they listen. अब घर में आ गया हूँ, कैप्टन को बाहर रखना है मैंने. They don't deserve that ना, they want their son, their husband, whatever. मैं अंदर आता हूँ and I try to behave कि मैं 8 लोगों में एक मेंबर हूँ. But now they're discussing the match and they're talking like a fan and I'm hating it. क्योंकि करेक्ट नहीं जो तुम बोल रहे हो, ऐसा नहीं होता, ऐसा. बट देन आई हैव लर्न, डोंट करेक्ट देम, बी नाइस टू देम. होल्ड तक झेल सकता है, उठ जा, सो जा, बिकॉज दे विल अलाउ यू दैट. नोबडी इज प्रेशराइजिंग यू, बट बी नाइस. जस्ट बिकॉज यू हैव लॉस्ट, डोंट मुंह बना जाके सो मत जा, थोड़ी देर बैठ. अगर वैसी बातें हो भी रही है सुन लेना, फैन है, ऐसी बात करते हैं, अबे उसको ऐसा मार देना चाहिए था यार, अबे उसको ये कर देना चाहिए था, अबे ये फैंस. सो वो डिफिकल्ट पार्ट होता है कभी कभार. And then I go and I'll sleep.
Do you think leaving Sunil Chhetri outside house
That's my biggest fight.
Is a fight? Yeah.
That's my biggest fight in life. I've understood. And that's why if you meet, especially my wife, people who are very close to me, who see me day in, day out, because घर में जाके तुम normal इंसान हो, you'll be judged on in every normal thing. When I go out, Raj, I'm bloody pampered, man. Just to go out to the airport, to an event, to whatever, to a match. Small example there, and please don't take me wrong, I always get a single room. Very small example, it might not sound, whenever we travel for the club or the country, everything, you get the best chef coming. So sir, what do you want? हम क्या बना दे आपके लिए, ये वो. When you go to the ground, वगैरह, shoes that I wear, everything. So, and it's but obvious as a human being to think, wow. But the moment I stepped into the house, I won't say I've learned, I'm still learning. It's done. Just a normal husband inside. जो 5 गलतियां करके आया है, जिसके बारे में 5 चीज़ें बीवी सुनाएगी. जो 4 चीज़ें बार भूल गया अपनी माँ को फ़ोन करना, वो माँ भी सुनाएगी. जो 3 बार टैक्स की रिपोर्ट बताना भूल गया अपने डैड को, जो तेरा टैक्स टेक कर रहे हैं फॉर फ्री, तो याद दिलाएंगे और तुझे शायद सुनना नहीं होगा. बट यू आर नॉट सुन लेते, ओए शट, I'm Chhetri, I don't want to hear it right now, I'm just want to sleep. नहीं होगा.
एंड इसी की वजह से शायद वर्ल्ड में बहुत सारे जो हाई अचीवर्स, टॉप लेवल प्लेयर्स होते हैं, उनकी फैमिली लाइफ बहुत ख़राब होती है, बिकॉज दे आर नॉट एबल टू मैनेज इट द वे यू आर trying to do.
If you get Sonam here, she'll tell you 20 एक क्या करता हूँ मैं, which I'm good at is, मैं ठंडा रहता हूँ. I might say अभी नहीं, but I will not react.
Okay.
गुस्सा रिएक्शन नहीं, but what I'll do is ठंडा रहता हूँ. And this is a great space that my family allows. When I go home, because what I do outside, I'm not trying to brag. A lot of people do a lot of difficult things, but it's a very high intensity stuff. The dimag is like that. So when I go home for some time, I just want peace. And my family has that sweet, they know it. And then I'm ready.
Yeah.
मैं घर में जाते I'll take a nap, or right now the best thing that I do is I go and play. Of course, the best part, playing with Dhruv. Taking care is the mother. I just go and play. I play with Dhruv and my mood changes. Oh, having a baby is outstanding, man. People used to tell me, बच्चा हो जाएगा तो ये हो जाएगा. मैं क्या हो जाएगा? Even when she was pregnant, 9 months, you feel a thing. I was few times just exaggerating. Wow, what a kick! But I wasn't feeling. But when I held him for the first time, man, something happens. When you become a father, because that's the time you become a father.
Yeah.
She's feeling it every day. Her life changed completely. She knows it. But for me to, so now the best part is when I go there and I forget everything and I play with him. And then me and my wife have that equation. Then she will open up, and then all the normal stuff that happens in the family, she'll talk, and I'll participate. Do I do outstanding? No. Am I a good a husband as I'm a player? I'm not. I know it, but I'm trying. Good thing is she knows that I'm trying.
अगर ऐसे और भी बहुत इंसाइटफुल शॉर्ट्स और क्लिप्स देखनी है तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो.